guy. I can't have a bad temper, make a big fuss and cry. And I know that lately it's been hard. We had a bumpy ride. But if you give me one more chance, I make it effortless. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. Love has given us wings, and we're supposed to go high. But life got in the way, and we forgot to fly. And now I think that we're ready to finally leave the nest. We'll take a little leap of faith, and I will do the rest. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love.
뭐지? 되게 맛있는 냄새 나는데? 우와! 우와! 너무 신기하다. 이렇게인가 보다. 이렇게인가 보다. 이거 안 돌아가지?
Wrangle the kids, get them to bed. Warm up the tea and Granny's shortbread. Pillows and blankets on the floor. Light up a candle that smells like a pie. It's not my first choice, but it's what you like. And I always choose